Hi everyone, in this video I explain how I solved Leetcode 1342. The description states, given an integer num, return the number of steps to reduce it to 0. In one step, if the current number is even, divide it by 2, otherwise subtract 1 from it. For this solution, I first declared a variable called count that represents the number of steps. Then I wrote a while loop that executes the following statements as long as num is greater than 0. If num is even, divide num by 2, then add 1 to count. If num is odd, subtract 1 from num, then add 1 to count. Finally, return the value of count.